Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is about this question. So the diagram shows a circle with radius 2 and a square with sides length 2. The centre of the circle lies on a perpendicular bisector of a side of the square at a distance x from the side, as shown. The shaded region inside the square but outside the circle has an area 2. What is the value of x? So to do this, we want to find the area of the segment which is inside the square but is inside the circle. So this sector here. To find this sector, we need to find the height of it and work out the area using multiple shapes. So one shape we can make is a triangle. So if we create a line that subtends the segment from there to there, and then draw it there, then we've got our base, which is 2, because that's the length of our square, and then we have our hypotenuse, which is 2 as well, because that's the radius of our circle. So we know that if the whole thing is 2 and we've just split it up in half, then this base would be 1 and that base would be 1. So doing Pythagoras theorem, 2 squared minus 1 squared, you would eventually get root 3. So that would be your height. Once you got root 3, you've got that. Then you can find the area of your triangle. So the area of this triangle would be 2 root 3 over 2, because it's base times height over 2, which eventually is just root 3. So you got your root 3 there. And then you have you want to find the area of this chord here. Yeah, so this chord is part of the sector of the triangle, which is 60 degrees over 360 of the circle. So 60 over 360 degrees is the same as a sixth of the area of the whole circle. So sixth of pi r squared. In this case, a sixth of 4 pi. Eventually, so you got a sixth times 4 over 1 pi, which you get as 4 over 6 pi, which is 2/3 pi. So 2/3 pi, and now you need to further, so that's the area to there. So to find the area of your chord, you'd have to do, so that's the area of the whole sector. And we know the area of our triangle, so you would just do the area of our sector minus the area of our triangle to get the area of our chord segment here. So the area of our chord segment here would then just be 2 over 3 pi minus root 3. So that's the area of that. And now we have this, we can create another shape, which could be this rectangle here, which is underneath our segment. So we know that its length is 2, and we know its height would be root 3 minus x. Root 3 minus x, because the minus this part to get the area of the height of that. So 2 times root 3 minus x, which is the same as 2 root 3 minus 2x. So now we can add our two areas up to get the area of the whole part here. And because we have it in terms of x, we can solve the equation to get for x. So we can go out of here now, and then we can do our 2 root over 3 pi minus root 3, which is the area of our segment chord thing, plus 2 root 3 minus 2x, and solve that to get x. So if we add our like terms together, you have 2 root 3. You have 2 root 3 minus root 3, which is just root 3. So you have 2 over 3 pi root 3 minus 2x. And then you could... So now all our like terms have been added up. then you could do that. So that becomes the area of our white space inside the square. But then we also know that the area of the whole square is 4 because the side length of the square is 2 and 2. And we've already been told in the question that the shaded region that's inside the square but outside the circle has an area of 2. So really, 2 over 3 pi plus root 3 minus 2x should equal 2. So then we can solve this equal 2. So then rearranging it, you would do 2 over 3 pi minus 2x equals 2 minus root 3. And then 2x equals 2 minus root 3 minus 2 over 3 pi. And then x would equal 2 minus root 3 minus 2 over 3 pi over minus 2. So obviously that's not the form that is given over there. So we have to simplify it further to find it to the most simplest form. So we can split up the fraction into 2 over minus 2 minus root 3 over minus 2 and minus 2 over 3 pi over minus 2. So that is 2 over minus 2 is 1. Sorry, minus 1. Minus root 3 over minus 2 so root 3 over 2 plus root 3 over 2. And then minus cancel out here, so plus 2 over 3 pi plus over 2. So then we could plus all of that. So the form we have to give the answer in has to be pi over 3, which is in all of them. So 1 plus root 3 over 2 plus 2 over 3 pi over 2. So you can simplify 2 over 3 pi over 2 more to get 2 over 3 pi times 1 over 2, which is 2 over 6 pi, which is a third pi, which is the same as pi over 3. So then you just have minus 1 plus 3 over 2 pi, root 3 over 2 pi plus pi over 3.
Okay.
So that is A. So the answer is A. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.